Hi, you guys. Welcome back to the channel, I Relax in Life. Today we are here at Colt Creek State Park, and we are here to do some yoga and give you a tour of our campsite. So we are at campsite number 7 at Colt Creek State Park. So we're gonna walk around and I'll give you a brief history lesson of the place. This was bought from the Overstreets by who owned it was some brothers. They were cattle ranchers and they also planted these pine trees as well. And we bought it from them in 2016. They also dig their own water as well. So you have here is 2 fire pits. You have your fire pit and you have your grill as well. And it's the standard of them giving you a picnic table. And then you have all this room to do yoga or whatever it is that you want to do, have family over or have a tent as well. Let's go check out the power source and then I will show you how close we are to the bathroom. We do not have a bathroom in our camper because I think it's weird to have a toilet in your living room. So here's your hookups right here. This is what you need. Okay, here is your water. Now we only have this hooked up for the sink. Okay, we're not far from the community fire, so if they're having an event and they're doing a fire, basically, you could do that too. All right, so let's go over there, let's walk to the bathrooms. It's very peaceful here, very quiet. We've already spent one night here. It's very nice. I don't know if you can hear the birds chirping. It is in the morning of the time of this recording. So we're gonna first look at the bulletin board, see what it says. So they tell you about their ranger station, their store. They got birds. It's another good spot we spoke about doing some yoga. The bathroom, ladies' bathroom. They just have a shower. A lot of room for shower. You have a curtain and a door, so washer and dryer. Water fountain. And then the park pools. And then that is it. Now let's walk back and let's do some yoga. All right, we are back from our campsite tour / bathroom tour. We are here to do some yoga at Colt Creek State Park in Florida. And we're doing the pose of the month. Now today's pose is fire log pose. Looks like that. It's card number 22 from the Do Yoga Anywhere series. And I'm going to read you the benefits of the pose. The benefits are strengthens the hips and groin, stimulates the abdominal organs, calms the mind, and relieves tension and stress. All right, let's roll out our mats and let's get started. So what you're going to do is put your one leg on top of the other, get out of easy pose, and have one leg on top of the other, and then you're just gonna go straight out and be as straight as possible. And just breathe. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Now slowly come up. And now we're going to do the other side. So put your other leg on top and stretch out as far as you can. Have a straight back as much as you can. Close your eyes. Be present in the moment. Be one with nature. Touch your hands to the earth. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. And then when you're ready, slowly come up. I want to thank you for watching. Namaste. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on socials. We do discussions on there, as well as I share my videos on there as well. You're not going to want to miss next week's video as we continue our series on Do Yoga Anywhere, and I show you more of Colt Creek State Park in Florida. Bye for now.